Hi everyone, here I've got REALME X2 Pro and let me share with you how to change photo aspect ratio on this device. So firstly, we have to enter the camera app, and after making sure that you're on the photo mode, just take a look at the actual camera shape, and let's say it is quite rectangular right now and it is not on the full screen. So after all of those info, we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and in order to change the photo ratio, you have to take a look at the photo ratio option here. Let's tap on it, and here we've got 3 different options which we can set. Now we've got 4:3 applied, but we can also choose 1:1 and full screen. So I hope that you can remember how the camera looked like before, and now let's change it for example 1:1. Just tap on this option. As you can see, it immediately changes, and after getting back to the camera, you can see that the shape actually changed. Now it is, let's say, a square, and after choosing another option, for example the full screen, we can see that right now the camera is elongated to the full screen. So as you can see, by changing the ratio, you actually change the shape of the camera, and according to it you can change the ratio of the photo. So let me pick, for example, this one. It doesn't really matter, of course you can choose which photo ratio you want. So actually that's all. This is how to change photo ratio in your REALME X2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.